Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob doing an unboxing of the Sharper Image multifunction wet vac auto vacuum made for the car. So let's see what we got today. Open this box up. And let's see. Here's the unit, the attachments, and a nice owner's manual. Let's see how she looks. Not bad, not bad. I believe it comes with a 3-foot hose. The hose should have to be inside of it because I don't see it in the box. Yep, there's the 3-foot hose right here. Not too bad. 3 feet's not much to really work with, but it does extend. The nice thing about this is you can plug it into your car cigarette lighter and you can vacuum your car. It saves a lot of time running extension cords or finding a car wash. That's the nice thing about it. Like I said, this regular standard plug for the car and a little filter for the bottom so it's wet and dry, as you can see. I also believe this fills up air mattresses. Not too bad. I don't know if you guys are debating picking one up, but definitely a good little unit to have. I myself am a taxi driver, so it's always nice to have. This was actually a Christmas gift, and I decided to do an unboxing video of it because I don't think there is any unboxing videos on demand on it for some reason. And you set it up like so, and we got our Sharper Image little portable for a car vacuum. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like and share. Thank you and have a good day.